Hi and welcome. Lisa here with a product reveal for the Whimsystamps Gobble This 4x6 stamp set and coordinating outline dies. These items are sold separately. Let's have a closer look at both products. Now, I love the silliness of this stamp set with the two turkey images and the 14 sentiments. This set is sure to give a few chuckles this Thanksgiving. This top turkey is measuring about 2 3/8 of an inch wide by 2 7/8 of an inch high. The coordinating outline dies include 5 dies, one for each of the turkeys, plus you're getting dies for the solid stamped sentiments. Of course, my favorite sentiments from this set are Gobble This and You Know What You Can Do With Your Butterballs. Now the dies line up easily. They leave a nice border around the images and the solid stamped sentiments as well. I have a few samples to share with you. The first card I stamp colored and die cut the image and sentiment and paired it with the Oh Boy digital paper pack from Whimsy. On the second card, I stamped the background using the exclamation background stamp, a little bit of masking using the wavy nested frame dies to create a quick backdrop for this hilarious guy. I repeated a few of those same steps, but used the WTF from the stamp set to create a frame around my image. Let me know what you think about the Gobble This stamp set in the comments below. For more information on this product, you can head over to the Whimsystamps website by clicking the link in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsystamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.